Hey everyone, I'm Jason. Welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Sonos. This is, I believe, the generation 1. It does not have the one button in the back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset this guy. Okay, so to reset this, it's pretty simple. Either unplug it from the wall. In my case, I'm going to unplug it at the bottom here. Unplug it, make sure the light turns off. So now what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold the play and pause button. If you have the newer style, on the back you're going to have the big circle. Press and hold that circle. Okay, in my case it's the play and pause, but if you have a newer version, just press and hold the round one. Pretty much all Sonos product, this is how you factory reset it. You either got the play and pause button, you're going to press and hold, or you're going to press and hold the connect button, which is in the back. Okay, so I'm going to press and hold the play button. I'm going to plug this back in. Now we're going to pay attention to the light on the top here. Hopefully the camera is picking that up. So what we're waiting for is for it to turn green. There we go. So now this is ready to either, if you're going to sell it, get rid of it, give it out to someone. Now they'll be able to connect it to their Sonos account. Right, so that's how you basically reset pretty much every single Sonos product. The only product this will not work on is just the Move and the Roam. It's a different step. I'll make another video just on those two. Alright guys, if you have any other questions, please give me a comment below. Like this video, thumbs up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.